Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to make French nail art under nails using Born Pretty Silver Nail Tips Gel and Metallic Drawing Gel. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So this is the Metallic Drawing Gel shade MD01. And I will be using almond semi-frosted nail tips. So first is I'm gonna apply the drawing gel under the nails by just following the line of the almond nails. And then cure for 60 seconds. Apply second coat of drawing gel or whatever color you want. And then cure for 60 seconds. So this is the finished product. So I did the French nail tips already. Next is file. Trim the nail like normal manicure preparation. And then this one is optional. Apply dehydrator and then air dry for 30 seconds. Next is apply a thin layer of nail primer and then air dry for 60 seconds. Apply a thin layer of base coat and then cure for 60 seconds. And next is I will be using the Silver Glitter Nail Tips Gel. Born Pretty Nail Tips Gel is available in 7 different shades now. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 to get 10% off when you shop at Born Pretty official store. Next is use nail tips to take out a mung bean size gel directly and then press the back end of the nail sheet on the nail surface and then press down firmly from the back to the head until it fits the nail surface. You can also reposition the nails if needed. And then cure for 120 seconds or 2 minutes. Repeat the same process with the other nails. And if there is too much colloid overflow, you can use cuticle cleaning brush to take the cleaning fluid to remove. What I like about the Born Pretty Solid Nail Tips Gel is it's not hot, no need nail clips to fix, it is strong and firm, and you can do a secondary positioning. It is super strong and the thickness and the firmness is so nice. There is no air inside and it's not whitish. Born Pretty Nail Tips Gel is made of vegetable gum. It doesn't hurt the nails and it's strong and long lasting. So make sure to check the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 to get 10% off when you shop at Born Pretty official store. And another good thing about it, it is easy to apply and it's not messy. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.